Hey, everyone! Have you ever thought about how hard we are on our livers? Sure, we might jokingly apologize before a night of heavy drinking, but in reality, we don't treat it very kindly. Your liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying and processing everything you consume. It's vital for your health. Liver disease causes nearly 2 million deaths annually, and it's not just alcohol that's to blame. Your diet has a big impact too. So, let's dive into 9 foods that can actually strengthen your liver. Are blueberries on the list? What about fatty fish? And wait, beetroot juice? Do I really have to drink that? We're covering all that and more. Number 1. Beetroot juice. Okay, I know it might not sound the most appealing, but beetroot juice is actually really beneficial for your liver. It's packed with nitrates and antioxidants, which are great for your heart and help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Research shows that beetroot juice has a particularly positive impact on your liver, aiding in its detoxification. It works by triggering the release of enzymes that accelerate the natural detox process. So, if you've had one too many beers the night before, beetroot juice could be a smart choice to help you recover the next day. Number 2. Blueberries. How often do you include blueberries in your diet? I have to admit, I haven't been eating them as much as I should. Blueberries are often referred to as the king of antioxidants, and for good reason. They boast the highest antioxidant levels among fruits and vegetables. Research has shown that blueberries can significantly benefit liver health. One study found that consuming blueberries for 21 consecutive days enhanced the immune response of liver cells. Additionally, blueberries have been linked to slowing the progression of scar tissue in the liver. Blueberry extract has also shown potential in reducing the growth of liver cancer cells. However, more research is needed to fully confirm these effects. Number 3. Grapes. Grapes of all varieties are packed with powerful plant compounds, with red and purple grapes being especially beneficial for your liver. These grapes are known for their impressive antioxidant properties, which can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Research suggests that grape supplements, particularly grapeseed extract, can enhance liver function. However, the benefits are more pronounced with the extract rather than the whole fruit. That said, while a tasty bowl of grapes makes for a great morning snack, it may not have the same liver-boosting effects as the extract. Still, enjoying a few grapes each day certainly won't hurt. Number 4. Grapefruit. Grapefruit might be an acquired taste for some, but it's a popular breakfast choice for those who can handle its unique flavor. This fruit is a treasure trove of antioxidants that help shield your liver from inflammation. Studies indicate that grapefruit can also combat hepatic fibrosis, a condition where excessive tissue buildup leads to chronic inflammation. And if you remember the discussion about remedies after a night of drinking, grapefruit's compounds can help metabolize alcohol and mitigate some of its negative effects. So, if you're up for a tangy challenge, embrace the sourness of grapefruit and give it a try. Number 5. Cruciferous veggies. We're on a roll with all the tastiest options, aren't we? It's clear that giving your liver a boost isn't a walk in the park. When I mention cruciferous vegetables, I'm referring to broccoli and Brussels sprouts, among others. These veggies are particularly effective at detoxifying your liver. They help enhance specific enzymes and reduce organ damage. A 2016 study revealed that mice fed broccoli developed less fatty liver disease and had fewer tumors compared to those who didn't get their greens. Not a fan of eating vegetables raw? No worries. Brussels sprouts remain beneficial for your liver even after cooking, as they retain many of their vital nutrients. Cruciferous vegetables are incredibly healthy, though they might not be your go-to snack. Don't worry, I've got a snack suggestion you'll love coming up next. But first, if you're aiming to get in shape, consider revamping your diet. Incorporating more raw fruits and veggies can significantly boost your mental well-being. Now, let's dive back into our list of liver-strengthening foods. Number 6. Nuts. I promised we'd get to a snack, and here it is. Nuts are an excellent choice when your liver needs some support. Their unique blend of fats and nutrients makes them ideal for combating liver disease. A 2019 study showed that regular nut consumption is linked to a lower risk of developing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, a condition that's increasingly common around the globe. While liver disease is often associated with heavy drinking, it's possible to develop it even if you avoid alcohol. So, the more nuts you include in your diet, the lower your risk of liver issues. Keep this in mind the next time you're enjoying the game. Number 7. Fatty fish. I get it. Eating fatty fish might not be as straightforward as grabbing a handful of nuts. Unlike nuts, which are quick and inexpensive, incorporating fatty fish into your diet can be a bit more involved. However, if you're committed to improving your liver health, adding fatty fish is a great step. Let's dive into omega-3 fatty acids for a moment. These powerful acids are renowned for their ability to reduce inflammation and lower disease risk. While they're often praised for their heart benefits, omega-3s can also work wonders for your liver by reducing fat levels. This is especially beneficial for those dealing with fatty liver disease. Before increasing your omega-3 intake, it's a good idea to consult your doctor to ensure you're staying within the recommended limits. Excessive amounts might not deliver the same benefits. Number 8. Olive oil. If you're not incorporating many of these liver-friendly foods into your diet, you might not be using much oil, unless you're daring enough to splash it on your French fries. Olive oil, however, offers fantastic benefits for your liver. Just a teaspoon can boost both enzyme activity and fat metabolism. It also triggers a protein that aids in processing fats. Research suggests that including olive oil in your diet can lead to less fat accumulation around your liver, enhance insulin sensitivity, and improve liver enzyme levels. Now, I'm not suggesting you start drinking olive oil straight. Imagine how unpleasant that would be. Instead, try adding more olive oil to your recipes. It pairs wonderfully with pasta, eggs, sandwiches, and even fish. Give it a try. Number 9. Prickly pear. Here's a bit of a surprise for you. We're talking about prickly pears, which might sound unusual. No, they're not your typical pear. They're actually a type of edible cactus. I promise, this isn't as dangerous as it sounds. Prickly pears can be incredibly beneficial for a struggling liver. The extract from these cacti is known to alleviate hangover symptoms. A 2004 study found that people who consumed prickly pear extract before drinking alcohol experienced fewer morning after woes. This extract helps reduce liver inflammation, giving it a better chance to detoxify after a night of drinking. So, how should you enjoy this prickly fruit? Drinking prickly pear juice is your best bet over the extract. Next time you're at the store, consider picking up some prickly pear juice. Your liver, along with the rest of your organs, deserves all the support it can get. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.